Bitcoin relief. Are we gonna have an October? Are we gonna go up? Do you wanna know the price prediction for October and all the news in the crypto space? Then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news fun on the right, crypto a tope. In today's show, we wonder what's gonna happen in October as we have recession confirmed in United States, as we have news from Germany. They say that we're gonna hit 10% in inflation. This is the highest increase since World War II. We are waiting the death of Bitcoin after gold and the stock market. Well, that's today's show, and we have to wonder about that stock market. We have volatility crazy, and also for the dollar that was strong, that was going up, but right now we also have dollar going down. That's why in the daily chart Bitcoin is flat right now. But what for the month? Well, September is gonna close in the red, and that means that we have already 6 times in a row red for Bitcoin in September, the worst month of Bitcoin. Of course, we have just 9 monthly candles in the red in the history of Bitcoin, and we have 3 green ones, and some of them was a miracle that they are not red. Also remember that in a bear market, when we go down, all the times it was red. So bad for September, but in October we have 3 times green in a row. We have 7 times in the green and just 4 times in the red. It's true that 3 of those opportunities were in a bear market. So what do you think about that? You can see here all September data and then all October, and you can see that September is in the red and October is in the green. So maybe we have that relief again. What do you think about that? And what about Ethereum? Right now September is gonna close in the red too. That means 3 times in a row in red, because just jealous from Bitcoin. It's doing the same Ethereum as Bitcoin. 6 times a monthly candle in the red for Ethereum, just 2 times in the green. And for October, well, it's the same again. We have 3 times green in a row, so maybe we have the 4th now, and 5 times altogether it's been green for the history of Ethereum, just 2 times in the red. This is Ethereum data. September is beginning to be the worst month for Ethereum in history, and October it's a very good month. So again, just write down in the comments below, what do you think is gonna happen in October for Ethereum and for Bitcoin? If you want to believe that Ethereum is going up, well, just picture this. It's from Mozilla, and he's telling us that if we compare the situation right now with the situation in 2016, we have the W of Warrior Land, and we're gonna now explode and go up. Do you believe that? Write that down. If we go to the daily chart of Bitcoin, well, we have the last Friday of the month. That means the closure of the CNMV futures volatility time, and you can see that we are in range between the $20,000 and the lines we shouldn't miss if we want to go up. Remember, volatility in the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin in the past days, but right now we are more flat. We are less volatile than the stock market right now. But we have very bad news. Remember the kiss of the death, that indicator from Alessio Rastani that is going to the moving average exponential one of 21, kiss it and then go lower than the past point and then go south as in 2008, 2001. So we did that. It's a bad sign. It's activated. We have the kiss of death for Standard & Poor's 500. And today we zoom in, and I'm telling you how far we went down from that sign. In 2001, 2002, we fell 30%. In 2008, we fell 47%. So right now, if Standard & Poor's falls that far, you can see how low we can go. And we don't have data from Bitcoin in 2001 and 2008. So we can't compare situations. So the only thing we can do is speculate with the idea of a fall of 30% and 47%, the same in Bitcoin case. So that will bring us to 30,000, a lot of charts, a lot of indicators telling the story of Bitcoin going down to 13,000 range, and some other stories, my story, personal one, telling us that we might close the CME gap that we have in 9,600. Because if we fell 47%, that would be the case. So scary scenario, but everything is possible. Remember past videos, the shoulder pattern, also all those Fed theories and the RSE. I don't tell you everything again, just watch past videos where I explain all that. That brings us to 13,000 range for sure. So the situation is we are here, we are trying to run to the next bull market, but the end is that we've been lied. It was all a scenario and we're gonna go down. Also, this new trader, this person new in the crypto space, so happy in the 69,000, so happy even in the 50,000, but after some time in 40,000, he can't stand that anymore. And he is crazy, like, what's going on? And the holder is trying to maintain him alive. It's okay, we'll go up eventually. Come on, try to breathe. We'll go again to 69,000. We'll see about that. People in the stock market losing 20% and they are desperate, but we as Leonardo DiCaprio with a 70% drop, we are crazy people, like it's gonna be okay, no problem. We'll see about that. Pladisu is telling us that if we go up, we might have to wait for a little bit, because if we compare the situation we have right now with the situation in past cycles going up, we can have to wait 630 days. If we compare our situation with 2011, maybe we have to wait 1,094 days if we compare our situation with 2017. And if we compare with 2013, we might have to wait 1,182 days. That's a lot of patience, but it's okay. We signed that, as our friend Francisco Calvachi told us. Bitcoin drop below $20 in 2011, below $200 in 2015, below $2,000 in 2017, and it fall from $20,000 in 2022. So that might mean that in 2026 we will fall from $200,000, and that's a scenario we love, because that means that will be beyond $200,000 in the future. And maybe Ana Bolena knew about that. See that painting? She had a Bitcoin there in the necklace. Also remember, the first ever prediction Bitcoin would go to the moon was made exactly 11 years ago. We've been waiting for a long time for that, and we know that you can't kill Bitcoin, nor the empty gox disaster, neither the hard fork wars, nor the China ban, anything. No, you can't kill Bitcoin. Nothing can kill it. And the nation states are crazy because they want to destroy it, but it's impossible. And also, the British pound is down 12% since Bank of England governor said, be prepared to lose all your money in Bitcoin and crypto. And what's the shelter? Is the pound, the British pound? I don't think so. Also, Rager is telling us you have to wait several years to buy a market cycle bottom in crypto. So don't act like you're sad about the next few weeks, months. This is an opportunity. Maybe this is not financial advice. I have no clue. I'm no expert. But remember that once we start going up, it takes time to go down again, and everybody starts asking if it's the moment to buy. So maybe the moment is right now, that all the institutions are coming in, as investment giant BlackRock that is rolling out blockchain ETF for European customers. And if everything goes up, we need to have a plan. And that's what Chico Crypto is telling us in this video, the best YouTube channel in the crypto space with Altcoin Daily, in my opinion. Well, he's telling us that probably you did as myself. We went to $69,000 and we didn't take profit. So maybe you have, as myself, a liquidity problem right now because you are all crypto as myself. So in the next bull run, we have to learn the lesson, and even that we are holders for the long run, we have to take maybe 20% of that portfolio and put it into cash, so that if we have another crypto winter, we can pay our bills, and also we have dry powder to buy crypto when it's down again. So his plan, I sum it for you, is starting to sell crypto once we get to $50,000 range, 10% each block, like 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, till we get to 100K. And then he's gonna stop doing that or selling less, because he believes, and I do too, that 100K is gonna be support, a really strong support psychologically. So it might be like the next thing to break. And that would mean that maybe we can go there to 180K or 200K. So that's his plan. We need a plan. Which is your plan? What's your plan? Tell me in the description below. Tell me in the comments. And so I plan myself, because I have no clue what to do. Thank you very much. Also, remember, Chico Crypto told us that he believes that the all-time high would be in December 2025. Remember, Pladisub believes we have to wait longer. What do you think when it's gonna be the next all-time high? And also in that video, changing gears, he told us about Chainlink and the news that we're gonna have finally staking for Chainlink. It's gonna be in December. Good news for Chainlink, and also very good news that Chainlink is building a token infrastructure for Swift. So we see the traditional world and the crypto space mixing together. Very, very bullish news for Chainlink that is going up. Maybe we'll see further all-time highs for Chainlink. What do you think about that? The market is in the extreme fear. We're in the 21 right now. We have green all over. XRP is in the dark green because all of those news that maybe the SEC did things wrong and they might win the trial. We'll see. Also in the bubbles, we see Ethereum proof of work going up 13%, and some other crypto coins, the good ones in the 100 top, going up. Ethereum is far from this support, which is a very good sign. And bad news for hydrogen. The SEC is charging them and its former CEO with crypto market manipulation. The DeFi ecosystem, $27 billion. And the huge news today that Facebook, Instagram is enabling NFTs for all US users. That's a very good sign. Also, that all users in the 100 countries where Instagram supports NFTs will gain access to the future. That's good for the ecosystem. But Facebook and Instagram are announcing that they are hiring freezing. They're freezing the hiring, and they will have other cutbacks. So no good sign for the economy. Mark Zuckerberg is not happy, but people happy from Warner Music Group. They are partnering with OpenSea. So the artists will have better options to connect with the fan community in the crypto space. So it's not just Snoop Dogg and his child anymore all alone there. We need other artists too. Good news for OpenSea also. We have that the marketplace paid a bounty of $200,000 to two ethical hackers. We were going to have a hack, but they helped them and they have this reward. Also, you remember Sega? Well, they are launching now a blockchain card game on Layer 2 solution. Good news about the Ledger. The swapping through Ledger Live just got better. We've made it easier to compare quotes from different providers and choose the best offer. Just select the coin you want to swap and explore platform requirements, exchange rates, and more. So just try it. Really good news. And also remember that you have a new tutorial where I teach you how to use Ledger Live in your cell phone with or without the Ledger Nano S Plus or X device. You have it in Spanish, and also you have the tutorial in English in our international channel, Fun on the Right Crypto, where we are close to 500 users right now. learning English. If you speak English and you want to learn Spanish, just watch this video in Spanish in Fun on the Right, our Spanish channel. We talk now about technology. This is a concept designed for Apple phone in 1983. It's crazy how things change. And it's crazy to believe this is a reality. This can be our dystopic future. Now we have the glasses for the metaverse, but also this thing you put in your mouth so nobody can listen to you. That would be good for babies crying, maybe, but that's so bad because it's good that you are not bothering other people around, but maybe the government can put that in your mouth and also in your eyes. So you are in a kind of jail, as in Black Mirror. So if you are not scared with this, I don't know how you do it. Just tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much. I need my friend Naval to tell me good stuff. At the end of the day, you're a combination of your habits and the people who spend the most time with. So think about that. Which people are you surrounded of, and what are your habits? Remember, we have a video, Atomic Habits, where you can learn how to have good ones. And right now, we speak about friendship. We are people with a lot of potential, as these lighters are, but we are in a glass. The glass is life, and there we have a childhood trauma. Everybody has it. Maybe some abuse, maybe some stress for sure, lack of love, insecurity, loneliness, and all that brings our spark down. Life is hard. So what can you do? You can join us, friends, in Fun on the Ride, because when you are feeling that and you have no spark, what you need is a friend with a spark that will bring you yours back. So come on and join us. Go there today and help somebody take the spark back. Thank you very much. Now for the child that is just about to have a shock. How's that? Because he asked to his mama, is chicken the animal spelled the same as chicken the food? What? That's the born of a vegetarian or a vegan. And that's what I believe about weddings and the tradition of having the flowers in the end. If men were about to have them, remember that if you catch it, you are the next to get married. So this is what will happen. 1, 2, and 3, everybody run. It's a grenade, it's a trap, and everybody runs. Now for the homework for the weekend, I just learned how to do this. This is a nonsense, it has no use, but it looks cool. It took me just 1 hour to learn. So if you want to learn too, do it, videotape yourself and send it to me, and I will show it in the next show. That's how it looks back. Awesome. And remember, this is your heart. It beats 72 times a minute in an adult on average. So in a lifetime, it creates enough energy to drive a truck to the moon and back. So use that energy for some good. Maybe you can go and have a heart attack using this. A swing is as beautiful as terrifying, of course. Would you do that? I think I would, but I would be so scared for sure. And now this child is a bad kid. He's fighting his dad. He is kicking his balls. Boom shakalaka again to the floor. The daddy is having a lot of pain right now, but the child is not satisfied. So he will climb to this furniture his dad built for him and jump and destroy him for good. But what did I do? Oh, I wanted some chocolate and you didn't provide me. 1, 2, 3. It's over. It's over. It's so sad. As this dog, so sad because he chose not selling crypto in 69,000. He was happy with the decision, but oh man, the other decision would have been better, and that's why he's so sad. Don't worry, it will go up eventually. Let's prepare for the weekend. Maybe you want to watch some Netflix. Maybe you want to be lying down all day, scratching your belly. Probably so, but be careful, because maybe you miss opportunities. Somebody took them from you, or maybe you want to grab a beer or two. Remember, we go to October Sober or maybe Oktoberfest. What's gonna be for you? Are you gonna join us in not drinking alcohol for the whole month of October as Joe Rogan, or are you gonna do Oktoberfest and drink all the time? We have no more time today. Remember, you have this video in Spanish. If you want more English, just wait for Monday for next crypto news. Fun on the ride, health, money, love, party in peace, crypto a tope, and the best is yet to come. To the